just 3 days left to go for elections for BMC, including the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, the other civic bodies, and BMC, remember, is Asia's richest civic body. With Thackeray brothers joining hands, the regional pride rhetoric is in full blast and has even taken an abusive turn. MNS chief Raj Thackeray has resurrected a slogan coined by Balasaheb Thackeray in the 60s, Lungi Uthao Pungi Bajao. A dog whistle aimed to target South Indians in Mumbai. This time the target was specific. Former Tamil Nadu BJP President K. Annamalai, days after his visit to Mumbai, when he said that Mumbai was an international city, Annamalai has been called names, abused and even threatened. The question now is, while political views can be criticized, is attacking anyone over his place of origin acceptable? And here is the irony. The CM of Tamil Nadu, the state Annamalai comes from, his mum on the insults and threats. Congress, part of ruling alliance in the same state, is in fact defending the despicable slurs.
Here we are looking at the only city in our country where a triple engine Sarkar is possible. Modi ji at the center, Devendra Fadnavis at the state, and the BJP mayor and BMC. Because Bombay is not a Maharashtra city, it is an international city.
काल परवाकडे कोणतरी एक तामिळनाडू मधून रसमलाई आली होती, तो सांगतो मुंबईचा आणि म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राचा संबंध काय? तुझा काय संबंध आहे इथे याचा? यांच्यासाठीच माननीय बाळासाहेब बोलले होते, हटाव लुंगी आणि बजाव पुंगी.
வேலை இல்லாம ரெண்டு பேர் சுத்திட்டு இருக்காங்க. அங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஆதித்ய தாக்கரே, ராஜ் தாக்கரே, இவங்க எல்லாம் யாருங்க? நான் மும்பைக்கு வரத்தான் போறேன், இங்க அடிச்சு பாரு, காலை வெட்டி பாரு, அதான் ரன்லோடு பாத்திரலாம். இன்னைக்கு மும்பை உலகத்தினுடைய தலைநகரம் என்று சொல்லும் பொழுது அது மராட்டியர்களால் கட்டிய நகரம் இல்லைன்னு ஆயிருமா?
देखो, जिस तरह से मुंबई में आकर महाराष्ट्र का अपमान बीजेपी ने तमिलनाडु के नेता के हाथ से किया है, उसका हम निषेध करते हैं. मुंबई ये महाराष्ट्र से अलग करने की बात कर रहे थे और इसलिए महाराष्ट्र से मुंबई कभी अलग हो नहीं सकती, और जिसने इस तरह की भूमिका ली है उसका विरोध हम करेंगे.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
All right, let's go across to our guests. Nalin Kohli, Dr. Ranganathan, Kishore Tiwari and Sanjay Jha continue to be with us. We are joined by Advocate Devashish Murk, Vice President of the MNS Legal Cell. Good evening, Rodolphe. Let me in fact begin with you. Devashish, so Raj Thackeray, Uddhav Thackeray have come back, joined hands together to once again revive the slogan against South Indians. First, North Indians were targeted. Now South Indians will be targeted. And someone said that, people coming from outside to Mumbai won't be allowed. If you impose Hindi language, we won't allow you. Threats of violence against individuals have been issued. Raj Thackeray will continue to do this. This is your style. This is your agenda. Divide people, pit one Indian against another. कभी नॉर्थ इंडियन को लड़ाइए साउथ इंडियन से, कभी साउथ इंडियन को लड़ाइए दूसरे इंडियन से. सेम ओल्ड रेटोरिक. Devashish, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can I answer?
Yes, absolutely.
Am I audible? Yeah. So,
yes.
So the point is that this was a reaction for action committed by a local Tamilian, unfortunately, and ex-BJP president of a state called Tamil Nadu. Now, he stated that Bombay, primarily it is Mumbai, and then he stated that Bombay is not a part of Maharashtra. It is an international city. It is an international city, I agree. But then it is an insult to a Mumbaikar. Me being a Mumbaikar, me being a North Indian myself, it is an insult to the localites who have contributed.
If you agree
Mumbai,
that it's an international city, how is it an insult to Mumbai? And he started by saying a city in this country.
Is it not a part of Maharashtra?
A city in America. Or he didn't say a city in New Zealand. He said a city in this country. Maharashtra is also part of this country.
But how he will say, how he said that Mumbai is not part of Maharashtra then? He stated
when did he say Mumbai is not part of Maharashtra? He said Mumbai is not Maharashtra city.
He said that.
And you agree with him? You agree with him that it is an international city? So how is it an insult to Mumbaikars?
No, I agree. No. I agree. I agree with him that it is an international city. It's a financial capital of India. But then Mumbai is an integral part of Maharashtra. We need to know that. And this is a reaction.
Mumbai
coming from
is
an
a
action.
city.
And now my point
Mumbai
is
is
that
a
Mr. Annamalai
city in this
his
country.
in his second rally,
He
in
said
his second
Mumbai
rally,
is an
in his
international
second state
city.
rally,
Sir,
and
Maharashtra
Mr.
is also
Annamalai in
part
his
of this
second
country.
rally.
And you could have corrected Mr. Annamalai. You could have said, Mr. Annamalai, you don't
So why
know
these- why
about
these
Mumbai.
questions- why
You don't
these
know about
questions- why these
Maharashtra.
questions
Read up
are
Mr. Annamalai. Then
Why
come
these
and make
questions-
statements in Mumbai. But you're issuing threats. You're saying lungi uthao. That statement that was made against South Indians during Balasaheb Thackeray's regime, or rather when he had hold and command on Shiv Sena. So for one statement made by Mr. Annamalai, you will issue violent threats, you will abuse him, and you will insult the entire South Indian community. You feel his statement has insulted Mumbaikars. But what about the insult and abuse hurled by your Neta against the entire community?
Not the entire community, which was only against Mr. Annamalai and not the local Tamilians. It was only against Mr. Annamalai who stated misappropriatedly, and it was only against Mr. Annamalai and not for the South Indians and not for the people.
Mr. Annamalai is not the only one who wears a lungi. And Raj Thackeray knew exactly what he was talking about. Raj Thackeray knew exactly what he was talking about. I wonder how will decent, civilized, educated Maharashtrians, Mumbaikars support that kind of politics. I want to bring in Mr. Ranganathan. Mr. Ranganathan, so fine that you don't agree with Mr. Annamalai saying that Mumbai is an international city, or say that Mumbai is not just, just word was missing, that it's not a Maharashtra city, that it's an international city. Does that mean you'll make such statements? That you'll insult the place that he comes from or the community that he belongs to?
Swati, first of all, I'm absolutely shocked and aghast that such comments were made by Mr. Raj Thackeray, and B, as you said, even though the word just might have been missing, but in the run of things, it is absolutely clear if you were to listen to what Mr. Annamalai said, that he actually meant that Mumbai is not just a city in Maharashtra, it is an international city. It's just what logic would dictate. How can Annamalai say Mumbai is not a city in Maharashtra, it is an international city? Kya space mein? Kahan pe? So this is understood. Basically, they've picked on him just because to peddle their xenophobic parochial agenda. Be that as it may, is nothing that, a leopard doesn't change his spot. But I want to ask this, the MNS spokesperson, who is always never, there to pull his punches. Can you please tell me, what does Bajao Pungi mean?
Come on, Devashish, go ahead.
Yeah, so this statement was stated by Mr. Balasaheb Thackeray
What
in
does it
late
mean?
1960. So
What does it
that's what
mean?
I was trying to
No,
make
matlab bataiye
you
na.
understand.
Matlab
I
batao.
let me just
Matlab
complete.
kya hai?
Let me complete. So अभी अन्नामलाई जी बोलते, सेकंड रैली में अन्नामलाई जी बोल रहे हैं कि जो बालासाहेब ठाकरे का जो लेगेसी है, जो
सिंपल
हिंदुत्व
पूछा
का
है,
लेगेसी और
बचाओ
जो
पुंगी
उन्होंने
का
बोला,
मतलब क्या है?
जो ठाकरे
बचाओ पुंगी
आप
का
मुझे
मतलब
बोलने तो
क्या
दीजिए,
है?
ठाकरे कजिन्स ने ठाकरे
don't
कजिन्स
hide
ने
behind
प्लॉट मिस कर
excuses.
दिया है. सुनिए तो सही,
हिम्मत है तो
तो
बोलो.
ठाकरे कजिन्स ने अगर वो
अगर
प्लॉट मिस
हिम्मत
कर
है
दिया है,
ये तो
फिर
बीजेपी
बालासाहेब
भी
ठाकरे जी का
नहीं, ये तो शिंदे सेना बोलती है, ये तो शिंदे सेना बोलती है यूबीटी के लिए, ये बीजेपी बोलती है यूबीटी के लिए, ये बाकी के लोग बोलते हैं, सबकी पुंगी बजा रहे हैं क्या आप? लेट मी ब्रिंग इन किशोर तिवारी, यूबीटी इज ओके विद दिस? यूबीटी तो सबको साथ में लेके चल रही है, अब यूबीटी चुप है?
देखो, राज ठाकरे जी का अगर आपने स्पीच सुना तो उन्होंने कहा कि अन्नामलाई जी ने आके कहा कि ये बम्बई इंटरनेशनल सिटी है, ऐसा है वैसा है, तो उनका परसेप्शन था कि अन्नामलाई जी ने कहा कि ये बम्बई को महाराष्ट्र से अलग करना चाहते मुंबई को. अब मेरी बात बताता हूं मैं तुमको. उन्होंने कहा कि इसी वजह से बाला साहेब ठाकरे ने 1960 में कहा था, इसका मतलब वो 2026 में नहीं करे. एक बात. दूसरी बात मैं कहता हूं, अन्नामलाई जी ने स्वाति, ये बात अमित शाह जी को बताना चाहिए, जो बंबई के सब इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल के हेडक्वार्टर से.
संजय झा, Sanjay Jha, why is Rahul Gandhi silent? Where is Mr. Stalin? Where are the top leaders of the INDI bloc? All of a sudden, everyone is okay with this?
Well, let me tell you something. I live in Mumbai, Swati, and I have lived here for the last 35 years. I love this city. It's my homeland. To have any politician from whichever party come to my capital city of Maharashtra and to have the audacity to say that Mumbai does not belong to Maharashtra is absolutely absurd, atrocious, and bizarre. And obviously in a very incensed political atmosphere.
Sanjay Jha, it was evident what Annamalai said. It was evident what Annamalai said. Nalin Kohli, I have to wrap up. I'm sorry, I can only give you a couple of seconds. But it was evident what Annamalai said. I don't understand the compulsions here that these threats that are being issued are all of a sudden okay. That there's nothing wrong with this kind of politics.
It's a non-issue. It's a manufactured issue, somehow to try and get some political capital. Annamalai is a former IPS officer. Annamalai ji has actually taken the oath of the Constitution and served in an all-India service. He actually is praising Mumbai and they are running it down. I mean, we are sitting in Delhi. So in Delhi does not belong to ABC. It belongs to India. It's India's capital.
Absolutely.
Mumbai is that large. It's an international city. I mean, and people want, the governments, they say we want it to be like Shanghai.
Absolutely. The problem is everybody who makes such statements forgets that people of one state go to another state. They are all citizens of this country. And, you know, when such statements are made, it has an impact on the common man who's trying to earn bread and butter. There's an impact on such people. And for that, such politicians are responsible. If you don't want to invite people to come out to come out in criticism of this or to come from other parts of the country to India, how will you then justify Maharashtrians going to other states to earn their bread and butter? I'm leaving it at that. Thank you.